You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words. They have a similar spelling somewhat, quite a bit of a different pronunciation, but they have more importantly a very different meaning. So let's break it down. The top word here is a large boat, okay? It's pronounced a ship. It's a short E sound, okay? Ship. Ship. Now, the bottom word is an animal. You probably know what type of animal I'm referring to. It's pronounced sheep. You have a long E sound, okay? It's spelled with double E for a reason. Sheep. All right? Sheep. You have sheep in the paddocks. Sheep. All right, so let's listen carefully again, those two different pronunciations. Ship, short E sound, ship, and a long E sound, sheep. That's your bottom word. Ship, sheep. Can you hear the difference? Are you able to pronounce those correctly? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments down below. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.